Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can tracking the object using a motion tracking feature in CapCut PC. So this is super simple and you can follow the step to make this edit. So prepare your video with a moving object, and I have one video with moving object like this. Oh, sorry, it's lagging video, and I'm going to unmute clip audio because it's copyright. So you can see the original video like this. It's moving object, and I'm going to tracking this object. How to prepare? You can select text, sticker, or images to make it as a tracker. For example, I'm going to select text, default text, and I just for iteration assembly the video, and I'm going to change for text, just click O and change for the font size and then font color like this, and put on top the object like this, the object you want to track. So select tracking and select motion tracking. For direction you can select path and enable police scale and distance, and select the object you want to track like this. Just click start. So just while it's applying this effect, it is takes a long time recording duration video, and you can make it shorter. You can make your video duration shorter to make it faster for the processing. So you can see this text is following the object, or you can see for the final result. Right, here we go. Alright, you can see the text for the object. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.